25 minus 5 equals 20. Then, 20 divided by 5 equals 4. But this answer is not correct, because we did not follow the order of operations, which is one of the most important rules in mathematics. The order of operations is commonly known as PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in any mathematical expression, we first solve the operations inside the parentheses, then we calculate exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally, addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority. Therefore, in any expression that contains both multiplication and division, we move from left to right and perform whichever operation appears first. The same rule also applies to addition and subtraction. So, we solve them from left to right. Now that we understand the order of operations, let's solve the problem from the beginning of the video. But before we do, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. The expression is 25 minus 5 divided by 5. In this expression, we have one subtraction and one division. According to PEMDAS, division has a higher priority than subtraction. Therefore, we solve the division first, and then we solve the subtraction. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. Finally, 25 minus 1 equals 24. Which is our correct answer? Thank you for watching. Goodbye.